One woman was walking in the streets of Medina, and she done her shopping, whatever, groceries, etc. So the tumbler of oil that she had, it fell on the ground, and obviously oil gets seeped into the ground, into the soil. So she seen Umar radiallahu anhu passing by, say, "Oh Umar, come here. Your land has done injustice to me." I'm giving you the, not word for word, the basic of the story. Your land have done injustice to me. He said, "What has it done?" He said, "It has taken my oil." Now imagine, if it was you and I'd be like, "Auntie, just go buy another drum, I'll buy you 10 more for free of charge." So Umar radiallahu anhu says that, "I will buy you, I'll get you another." She says, "No, I want this very oil." What we'll say, "This one, ye to gaya." Send them to the mental hospital. She says, "I want this very oil." Umar radiallahu anhu commands the earth that, "Please, for the sake, if you are under the command of Allah Ta'ala, in the order of Allah, I command you to restore the oil of this woman." This oil was restored from the ground back into the tumbler. Obviously this is karamat.